Aga katsan terik wiayong arajar arpun rio. Katanat jengok kai pertai kejela kelakuat Ukraine. Haga jingelang bagi nongelam ke Green Tech Foundation. Badai keren telur kamat ke bedai. Badga project haga dolan nong lumpong deng. Ndai kene ke jingelang kam shimalong ke basai so ke bapan long yu chairman ke Green Tech Foundation. Ban penbena bandang beteng ya ke jing dengan Hamadan Malki. Aba keren kene ke sengi. Uba H ban seudor nonglang ubri chairman ke Green Tech Foundation. Lupen pau ke jing Sofia. Da ke bakeno ke sorkar ketemu bende ya ke hok trairi aki mender. Uba ban seudor ula maham teng bakene kam kala kala long kamat jegajat benrio. Ula ong balara ke sorkar ka bakla ban chim ke senjam to badai. Kani ka kendrum kendram kala ban penklam wa ke sekretariat hi barok kawai. U secretary general ke seng uba ritri lingdo ule tho bawa la keladon ke jingkot nekeran nekar liang ke tenak jengok kai perthai. Ndai kam chim nadan kanu ke jingmi ke seso. Ke Green Tech Foundation kadawa beri pendam sindon ya ke project balai soi banchnai ke luxury resort and spa halumpong deng. Namar ke jingma ke belak banwan ha ke mariang. Namar ke jingma 4 weng ke sorkar ya ke project ke Green Tech Foundation kelarai ban beteng ya ke jing saatkan kelembok por. Bat penjur ke jing ki katkum kariti sensyari.
Ini suka bano ipi baka jing ye kon na do isli ban kong ngibu ye jing doai. Da kalong stakum kumnoro kani kam da isu ka mat jong ka Green Tech marwai jong pi kilong kami kilong pa ki baya kala di ka mat jong ka cai pan reo ladangi hapan pan khalam ladangi hapan yale da kanu kunoro ni hapan sim da kalenti ka bacai cai da kalenti ka balong kanu monra kanu ka jing pan kelmar senong ka jing puri orang ngin penjual tang jing doai pada kerpat ye pi baro ba nyumdai ban wastu kajing pitar kamdai ke wakai dia kerpat ye baro ma kitu badan hongi ne ki ba pet kelong sodong kari kasi sumha ngenlong ki bajajai kino yalam ki kenwan ki sang bapar ngenlong ki bajajai kata kari jing par kerparet ke jongi kum kino yalam jong kerentak ingin saya perkat ke kalenti ke bangun sim ke kalenti ke ba ngin rai ngin nom yalong kluit kli ngin nom yalong bitar nritang kawai ngin nom pendam ha kali ke sorkar ke pamut bandi ya kitrairi tremuluk hauminda MTM kum mengilarai bat kani ke jingile kanum dai jong kerentak marwai mulada pipakla kelam sendon bat ke sekretariat kulish
Hagawai pat kaliang ke director juga tenak jengok kai pertai ikong BL Pakenten. Ila bandra ke jing pensyai haba keren bikinong pertai kubor balabur ke jing keli baan pendam ya ke haba amdan project ke berang ya di lumpong deng. Ikong Pakenten ila keren syai bak lumpong deng gerang sa kumbakalong bak sorkar kamdan kanu ke jing temu bantai ki yeng nedukan ki bane akene ke dolen nong. Ila batai bakatong jong sorkar kalong ban penek pensa ke mariang bat ban tang ya ke experiential tourism. Lani kerukom lejing okai ke bailat ke ban mat ke mariang hakadur tenrai. Ke director ke lekentu ginong ilam jong ke Green Tech Foundation ban sengeno ya ke jing syong syatkan. Namar ke jing long jing man koket ke kia ke balaman syakta. Bat ila kular bak sorkar kalong ke bakloi ban selok bat ban pediang ke jing ai jing mod ban ya dai ke mariang. Hadu mentah ke jing ki gerang ya cekamat namar ke jing per kerukom sengutu hapdang ke Green Tech Foundation kepada waban pendam ya kena ke project bagi sorkar ke boong ba om dan project ke badan ya.
Test because we feel that their mandate and what they want is also what we want is the preservation, the upliftment, and to keep the nature intact over there for people to enjoy nature. So what they want is also what we want. No permanent structure there, and to give prominent attention to the to the nature in Lumpong Deng. Their main focus is the Lumpong Deng, and in no uncertain terms have we told them that there will be no permanent construction in Lumpong Deng, and we will continue. We are open to any dialogue, discussion, consultation with them. We requested them that if they feel they still have to go ahead with the opposing the project, the Lompong Deng, that is on them. But we have requested that at least to withdraw the hunger strike because it is it involves a human life. It is a humanitarian issue. And at least to withdraw the hunger strike first, all other things we can continue to talk. There is no harm in talking. There is no harm for them to also raise their objection, provided that no bodily harm should come to any of their members. That is the most concerning issue for us. They want us to withdraw any project there in Lumpong Deng. But the question of withdrawing projects in Lumpong Deng does not arise because there is no project in Lumpong Deng.